Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So today as usual, I'm going to do our weekly Forex market analysis. So we normally start with a Forex Factory news release. As you can see, I'm there on their website. So, okay, Monday the 24th, we have at 9:15 a.m. 9:15 a.m. we have Euro News, French Fast Manufacturing PMI. We also have at 9:30. We also have German Fast Manufacturing PMI. At 10 a.m. we have Euro. This one is a low medium impact news. At 10:30 we have GBP news, Flash Manufacturing PMI. At 3:45 p.m. we have USD, Flash Manufacturing PMI. And then let's go to Tuesday. On Tuesday at 10 a.m. We have Euro News. It's a low medium impact. German Info Business Climate. At 4 p.m. we have USD News, CB Consumer Confidence. We also have Richmond Manufacturing Index. On Wednesday we have AOD News at 3:30 a.m. CPI. We have AOD CPI. And at 8 p.m. we also have USD FOMC statement. We also have Federal Funds Rate. At 8:30 we have FOMC press conference. On Thursday we have as you can see, I'm only focusing on the high medium on the high impact news. So as you can see now, on Thursday we have Euro at 2:15 p.m. Mine refinancing rate, monetary policy statement. At 2:30 p.m. we have advanced GDP. We also have unemployment claims. We also have advanced GDP price index. We also have core durable goods orders. And then at 2:45 p.m. we also have at 2:30 we have card GBP at 2:30. We also have USD news at 2:30 p.m. Core price PCE price index. We also have unemployment cost index. And at 4 p.m. we have USD news, revised consumer sentiment. So that's it, guys. That is what we have on Forex Factory news. So now let's get back into the charts to see how is the DXY doing. Okay, now looking at the dollar index. Looking at the dollar index, let me go to the H4. Now looking at the DXY, as you can see, on daily we are in a bearish trend. Okay, as you can see on DXY now, on daily we are in a bearish trend. So we broke structure to the downside, as you can see here on the charts. So now we put up, now we have two supply zone that we are looking at. So we have this supply zone that we draw here. So I'm waiting for now on Monday. On Monday, I'm waiting for price to tap into this supply zone and see what is happening there. Then I'll check if price will reverse at this supply zone. I will check. I will move to the lower time frames and check for a change of character on lower time frames, just to see what is happening there. If I say change of character on H1, M15, or M30, then I'll wait for price to do what? I'll wait for price to pull back, and then that shows that okay, the dollar has shifted. The dollar has shifted, is aligned with a high time frame trend. As you can see, guys, we are bearish on DXY. We are now pulling back. So I don't know how far this pullback can go, but we can check on Monday. We can check how far this pullback can go. Yeah, that's my analysis on DXY, guys. That's my analysis on DXY. So we are just waiting for price to tap into this two supply zone that we draw here and see what is happening there. So now let's move to Euro USD now. Now looking at Euro USD now. This thing is annoying, man. Oh, man. Okay, now looking at Euro USD. So as we said, we pulled back. We had a pullback. Now we will see now what is price going to do at this demand zone that we draw here. This is our first demand zone, guys. This is our first demand zone. So now I will wait now to see what is happening here on Monday. If you get a change of character on Monday, then you get a pullback, then I will enter a buy, targeting this high here. So that is the last high that we target. As you know, a high is always taken in an uptrend, as you can see. So now here we have on our second demand zone that we draw here. This is our second demand zone. So now if price break this first demand zone, we will look at this second demand zone and buy there. So that's my view on Euro USD, guys. As you can see, price is quite clear. As you can see, it is in an uptrend. We are breaking structure to the upside. So now let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD, guys, as you can see here, the market is quite clear. Just like at Euro USD, the market is quite clear here. So there's nothing complicating here. Everything is clear here. As you can see, we are breaking structure to the upside. We are making high, low, high, low, high. So this is our last high. So now we are expecting a potential higher low now. So I'm already in a trade on GBP USD. I'm already in a trade on GBP USD, guys. So we are just waiting. We are now at this. We already tapped at this demand zone here. So I'm already in this trade, guys. So as for you, you just wait for a pullback and then you enter a buy. We're targeting this high, as you can see here. So this one is quite clear, guys. There's no need to focus on this one because this one is quite clear. The trend is on the upside. If you want, you can go to the lower time frames like H4 and H1 or M15 and check how is the structure there. As you can see here, guys. So I entered aggressively here after price tap into this this demand zone here. So we also have a third touch. On this trend line. I don't normally trade trend lines, but this one is I just added it as a confluence. So if I can put it this way, as you can see, we are in a, what do you call this? A descending channel, ascending channel, or a descending channel. Once we break out, we wait for a breakout, we wait for a retest, and then we enter our second buy here, as you can see, guys. So this one is quite clear also on GBP USD, as you can see. So that is my view on GBP USD, guys. Now let's look at USD JPY. Looking at USD JPY, guys, we are actually pulling back because We had a change of character here. We had a change of character. Now we are waiting now to sell the market. So I will be selling the market here at that at this at this supply zone. So I'm waiting for price to tap into the supply zone and then I sell. So I'm just waiting to enter sales here at this supply zone. Targeting this low here, this lower low. So that is where I plan to enter my sales. This imbalance has been filled already, as you can see. We were in a bullish trend. Now we shifted. Now here is a change of character, guys. So here is where the break of structure to the upside happened. So we broke that lower low. I mean that higher low. Now we have a confirmed downtrend now, guys. In a choke, it's a change of character, guys. This is my view on USD guys. Now let's look at the USD USD as you can see, guys, we are moving like the DXY. So we are now, I'm just waiting for price to come at this zone. If price comes at this supply zone, and then I enter a sell aggressively, or I'll wait for a change of character on a lower time frame like H1 or M15. As you can see, we are making lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows. This one is a lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So as a break of structure, we made a lower low. Now we are expecting a potential lower high. So we don't know where that lower high will be, but we must just watch what price is going to do. So as I know, price will just go up and then reverse at this supply zone. So, or if it break this supply zone, we will expect another. We will expect a reverse at this second supply zone. So that's my view on USDCHF, guys. Guys, like the video, share the video, comment down below if you have any questions regarding what I'm saying here, or if you have any setups that you are looking at but you want us to touch on, comment down below, guys. Or if you have any currency pairs that you want us to include in our next weekly forex market analysis, you can drop the comment in the video, I mean in the comment section. You can also join our free telegram group, guys. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything. You do not have to pay anything to be part of that group. So it's where I drop my setups, all the setups that I take every day. All the setups that I take every day, I drop them in that group. So it's for free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. So as I said, I don't sell anything in the forex space. So I'm just doing this analysis and these videos for free, guys. I don't do mentorship. I don't sell anything. I don't sell courses. Our free telegram group is for free, guys. You don't have to pay anything to be part of it, as I said. So let's continue now with our analysis. As you can see here, we are in a bearish trend on daily. We are in a bearish trend on daily, as you can see. So here is our break of structure, pull back, and we sell. We broke structure to the downside, and also we are now in a pullback now. I'm now waiting for price to reverse at this supply zone that I draw here. We actually have one supply zone that we draw here. So if price now reverses at these supply zones that we draw, here is a refined one. If price reverses that zone, and then we enter a sell there. But if price breaks to the upside, where do we look at now? Price has to go fill in this imbalance, this inefficiency, which is up here, and then it might reverse at this second supply zone up here. So we'll just check now the price on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday next week to see what is happening here on the USD card. So let's that's my view on USD card. Now let's move on. Now let's look at gold. Now looking at gold, guys, we shifted now. We are in a bullish trend. As you can see, we didn't shift, but we are actually in a bullish trend, as you can see. So that is on daily. That is on daily. We had a break of structure. We are now at this demand zone. So for me, I'm waiting to enter because this one was just a setup. It's just a buy setup that I had. So I will end on Monday or Tuesday. I will enter a buy here, targeting. We're targeting this supply zone which is here. That's where I know the market will reverse, or it can just go further and break this high which is here. So this is our last high. So the price might break it because we are in a bullish trend, guys. So now let's move to H4 to check what is happening there. On H4, as you can see, we are in a pullback, but overall we are bullish, as you can see. So Monday, I will just wait for price to break these two candles. If price break these two candles, then I'll enter a buy. Here, I will enter a buy if price break these two candles, targeting, having a 1 to 5, a 1 to 5 R, or a 1 to 6 risk reward ratio. We are already in a bullish trend, as you can see on H4. We are making highs, high lows, highs, and high lows. So I will just wait for on Monday for price to break this high. If it breaks this high of these two highs of these two candles, and then I will buy. So that's my view on gold, guys. So if you want to be informed, if you want to receive free trading setups, guys, if you want to receive free trading setups or signals, join our free Telegram groups. I will drop that link in the video description. I'll also drop it in the comment section, guys. Join, be part of the group. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything. So that's my view on our gold, guys. That's my view on gold. Now let's look at GBP JPY. So on GBP JPY, I was having this trade. I had this trade, so it reversed this. I was out of this trade, man. When it tap into this demand zone which is here, that's where I exited this trade. So it was a nice entry, guys. As you can see, we had a double top, and then price tap into this supply zone there. Then that is where I sold. So I sold here, guys. I sold here after price tap into this supply zone, and then I sold. So I was only targeting this low. I was only targeting this low. It was a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, as you can see. So now looking at this one now, it's a bit confusing, as you can see now, because we are now consolidating around this zone. This whole zone, we are just consolidating around this whole zone. I don't know, maybe we are having a second pullback, and then maybe we came just to grab this liquidity at this high, and then maybe we might sell. So I will check what is happening there. So for now, we are not taking any trade at this. We are not taking any trade at this on GBP JPY, because price is just consolidating around that area. So we are not sure what is happening there. So that's my view on GBP JPY. Guys, as I said, I don't sell anything in the forex space. I don't do mentorship. I don't sell signals. I don't sell forex courses. The only thing that I would like you to do for me, guys, is just to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below if you have anything that you would like to share with me or with others. You can also join our free Telegram group. It's for free, guys. That is the only Telegram that I have. Be part of it. So now let's look at what else? Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin also is just consolidating around that area. Bitcoin is just consolidating around that area for the whole. I think for the whole 2 to 3 weeks, Bitcoin has been just consolidating around that area. I don't know what is happening there, but I'm waiting for price to come and grab liquidity. If price comes low on the down to grab liquidity, I might buy here. I might buy here because we also have a break of structure already. A break of structure already happened, as you can see. So now I'm just waiting for price to come here and then we buy. So price has to come and collect the liquidity down here and then it buy. So that's my view on Bitcoin, guys. I don't have too much on Bitcoin. So now let's look at what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, let's look at the NAS. Let's look at NAS. NAS is bullish, as you can see. We are bullish on NAS. We are now in a pullback. We are in a pullback now, but I will look to buy soon. Soon I will buy Nasdaq because now that Nasdaq. So there is our break of structure, guys. So now I'm waiting for Nasdaq to come at this supply zone. If it doesn't respect this supply, this demand zone, we have a second demand zone which is here. That is where I can enter our second buy if price didn't respect our first demand zone. So let's go on H4 to check what is happening there on H4. So guys, as I said, we are in a pullback now. So I'm just waiting now for Nasdaq to come here and then we buy. That's where I'm planning to enter a buy, targeting this high. So we are now, if price reverses this supply zone, if price reverses this supply zone and then we enter a buy here, targeting this high. So we are already, we had a break of structure here. So now we are just waiting for price to either respect this first demand zone, or it can also respect our second demand zone, which is here. If price goes through our first demand zone, if price goes through our first demand zone and then we wait for a pullback, another pullback, and then we enter a buy. So these are the two scenarios that I have, two setups that I have on Nasdaq, guys. So I don't have too much here on Nasdaq because price is already in an uptrend. Price is clear, guys. What you have to be patient with is just to be patient, wait and check what is price doing at these two zones that I draw up here. So if price goes through this first demand zone, we wait for price to come at this second demand zone and check what is happening there on lower time frames, and then we, after seeing a change of character, you have to wait for price to pull back and then you enter a buy, or you can enter aggressively when price tap into these two demand zones. So that's my view on Nasdaq, guys. Now let's look at US30. Let's look at US30. Now looking at US30, guys, as you can see, price is here in an uptrend. As you can see, here is our last break of structure. This is our last break of structure, guys. So now we have these two. We have this demand zone that we draw up here. So I'm just waiting for price now to come to pull back at this zone, and then we buy. So I'm just waiting for price to pull back. So this one, it will be this pullback, it can take even a week. So this one is a swing trade, guys. It's a swing buy here. So this one is not something that can happen within 2 days. It's something that can happen in 4 to 5 days or even a week. So we are bullish on US30. As you can see, guys, we are making higher highs and higher lows, as you can see here. Now I'm just waiting for price. I'm only interested in a buy if price comes at this zone. If price comes at this minor zones, I'm not interested in a buy. So that's my view on US30, guys. Guys, like the video, share the video, comment down below if you have any questions regarding what we discussed here in this analysis. Join our free telegrams in a video comment, or I will also drop a link in the comment section and in the video description. So this is all I have for this week. If you have any setups that you are looking at but you are not sure of, join our telegrams and drop it in our chat, so that we can also discuss about it, so that we can also look at it with our people. So bye, guys.